Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about break, continue and pass keywords in Python. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So guys, first we need to talk about break. What is break? And basically all of these keywords, we use them in our for loop basically, or if else. So let's see what break is. So let's say for I in 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Let's say I don't want any even number in I, and if I do, I want to break out of the loop. So what I will do is, if I modulus 2 equal to 0, break. Else I'm going to what else, I will just print I. So as you can see here, like the output is 1 and 3, and because when it got to 4, it had this condition, and it broke out of the loop. Okay, so this was break. Now let's just copy this same example, and I'm going to use them in continue. Now let's say you want that. Okay, now let's just say that I can have even values. It is not a problem, but you can't just break the loop here, because after 1 there is an even value, but I also want to print 3, I also want to print 5. I don't want to break out of the loop whenever I have an even number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use continue. Now what is going to happen, let me just print it, and it is showing 135, because whenever this condition becomes true, the flow of the program is interrupted, and instead of going this way, it went to this way. So this is pretty easy guys, and this is the continue keyword. Now the last but not the least is pass keyword. So basically pass is used for future code, like if you don't want to write the code in if block right now, but you want to do it in future, so you should use pass. Like if you leave it empty now, so it will going to give an error, because it is thinking that there is nothing else in the if, and it is true that there is nothing else. But what happens is that, like say, okay, just going to pass right now, and if the number is true, I will write the code again. Otherwise I will just print the values. So 135. Now whenever I want to, I can go and I can print anything that I want, that like print this number is. So whenever you want, you can just remove that pass function and you can write your code, but you can't leave it empty. Or you can also use that pass with for loop, like pass, and it is not going to do anything. But later on in the program, maybe you want to write something here, or you want to write your code in this for loop, then you can just delete that pass keyword and you can write your program. So guys, this is it for the video, and I hope that you liked it, and I'll see you next time.